Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Out of Edgefits. Today is Wednesday, the 16th of October. So today I've come in and I've got 3 cars here already waiting for me. Diagnostics, some retrofit. We'll run through it. But yeah, it's going to be a busy day. Well, busy morning. I don't think it's going to last all day, but I do have several different appointments. So I'm going to try and get through as much as I can, as quick as I can. Starting off today with this Audi Q5. And look at that, Simon's here. What? Simon's here early? So yeah, Simon's turned up with Greg's coffee. Don't know, did you not sleep last night?
I slept.
You slept well? Oh, okay. He's refreshed. That's why he's up early. Okay, the gates are the shutters are open today. I haven't closed it yet because I've got 2 cars outside that I need to attend to as well. So starting off, Audi Q5. I can't remember what year this is. 2019, I believe. This is it's got a private plate on it. Oh, yeah, he says 19. Okay, so this is a hybrid, a Q5 hybrid. Gorgeous car, lovely colour. This was here a few months ago. I can't remember how long now. Previously, we did memory seats upgrade on this car. So this seat is stock standard. I haven't changed the seat. However, I've changed the electronics to it and we added the memory seat buttons. So if I press number 1, seat will move slightly. Hang on, press number 2. There you go. Now it's moving quite a bit. There you go. And it works from just holding down the button here. Oh, okay, so now it looks like it's much closer and higher. That will be my sort of seat position. The owner is like super tall, so let's put it to number 1 and it will go back to his position. So I don't even have to hold it. Just press it once and it's just continuously moving. So anyway, I installed that previously. That's working perfectly fine. Now I've got, originally when we put this in, he actually ordered the chrome pedals and they were on back order from Audi. Took over a month and then I went off to Malaysia and all sorts happened. So now anyway, we've got the time, we've got the parts, the customer's here, we're going to install the pedals. Dead simple. So that's one job. Now outside, we've got a couple of cars. We've got a white A4 in for component protection. We've got over there an A1 for some jobs. And we've got this lovely Q5 just turn up. SQ5 V6T. I see the V6T badge. So he just turned up, and I'm going to be honest, I haven't got a clue what he's here for, but I'm sure you'll tell me. So yeah, we've got a bit of a busy morning, but first things first, I'm going to get rid of that one. Component protection is really quick and easy, so I'm going to do component protection first. He changed the head unit on that car and just needs it coding, so we're going to do that. Then going to do the pedals, then going to sort out the A1, and we'll see what our lovely customer here. He's a regular, by the way, so pop in anytime you want, I don't mind. But yeah, we'll see what this lovely SQ5's in for as well. Right, where's the laptop? We need to do some component protection. So done on the Q5 hybrid. Now it looks so much nicer. So it's got the accelerator, the brake pedal, and the dead pedal as well. Maybe there's too much light. Let me just take some of the light away. You see it shining. Yeah, but it's nice. It's very nice little upgrade. Like I said, this was on back order from Audi for about 2 months. That's why it took so long to get the job done. But it's here now. It's all done. Genuine Audi parts. Looks cool. Fits quite nicely. This one is an absolute pain to fit into place. But yeah, all good now. Right, let's sort the cars out. We've got A1 coming in next, so on to the next one. Okay, so next one in, 2017 Audi A1 Sportback. This is a lovely car. I've done quite a few mods on this car before. I believe I did the full Bose sound system on this car. It comes with a pan roof. Yeah, this car has had so much work done by us. We've even done, so around the back here, in the boot, I've even then done the dual-sided LED, boot LED, because it only comes with one on that side, so added that one, got it to work all nicely. So yeah, we've had this car done loads on it. He's come in today because he wants a couple of things done to it. So one upgrade is the center mirror here. This is the manual dimming. So if I show you here, it's got the manual click to manually dim. He wants this to be auto dimming. So I've got an auto dimming mirror, which should fit this car. It's one of my stock items, so I'm gonna change it out and see if that fits. To be fair, he did just add that item last night. He emailed saying, oh, by the way, do you have a rear view dimming mirror we can also do? I was like, okay, I'll have a look. But other than that, the car is in to have, he said one of these switches don't work, so he's got a replacement switch for me to fit for him. And dash cam. I'm not sure why, but he wants to remove the black view dash cam that's on the windscreen there and he's bought this thinkware dash cam that he wants us to fit in. So yeah, he's supplying those 2 parts, and he wants me to change out the mirror and get it auto dimming while it's here. So you know, why not? Yeah, that's basically it. So pretty easy. Get onto this straight away, and let's see how it goes with that auto dimming mirror. So it's almost 4 o'clock, and we're finally finished on the A1. Took a bit longer than we hoped, but it's done. So he had us change out the mirror, the window switches, because something was wrong with it. We did what he asked on that one. We now have the rear view dimming mirror. You can see, in fact, if I turn the ignition on, that lights up. There you go, green light. So that can be switched off from there. That's been installed and done. Thinkware cameras are now...
Safe drive today.
Please have a safe drive today, thank you. Yeah, so the thinkware cameras are now installed. There's one there on the front and one over there on the back. The black view ones are removed. I asked the owner what it was about the black view he didn't like. He said just the interface. He had a friend's car who had one of these, and he really liked how it was. I was like, okay, cool. But that's that. This one's all done. Let's get this one out. We've got another one in just to do a quick diagnostics on. So swap them out, do the diagnostics, and then I think we'll be done for the day. So we've got the SQ5 that rolled up earlier. He's trying to clean up his seat. So he wanted me to look over something, and he said he had a wireless CarPlay thing in here, which was, well, in his words, crap. So he's taken one of our tiny little dongle things, little thing. I just want to show you guys the setup process of it, because I haven't run that through yet. Okay, so we've got his phone. There we go. So we've turned the car ignition on. You saw me just do that. It's lit up blue. Now I've got the activate CarPlay, so I'll hit OK and accept the agree of use of it. Give it a sec, and that should change. There you go. And now it says please connect your Bluetooth to that Bluetooth. So now it's asking you to connect your phone to that Bluetooth. That will connect it to that little adapter. So Smartbox 06, oh here we are, 49, pair, allow, connect. Let's see what it does. Okay, boom, wireless CarPlay done. So still not plugged in over there, and low battery. Start the car. There you go. Oh yeah, CarPlay is connected, and it's damn quick, so we can leave the phone there. That's still connected. It's gone green. Oh, light changes as well. And yeah, we've got CarPlay working, so we can go back. We just use the factory controls because it's basically factory CarPlay now. All good. Nice, quick, no lag. Really cool little devices. All right, that's this one done. Let's get this car out, and he can go home. And I think I'm going to head home too. 5:45, 4:45. Nice. Don't mind an early day off. Right then, let's try and get this out the garage.